What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. So Tesla's software team has been killing it with releases recently, and there is no less than 3 different versions rolling out to customers currently, one for the holiday update, one for V13 of FSD supervised, and the other branch of V12 that's still in flight. We actually just received the largest batch update for software update 2024.33.40, which has FSD supervised V12.5.6.4. Now, we're not going to go do a drive with this since it's technically outdated. However, I want to jump in the car, show you the full build number, and take a look if there's any other changes here. I have a feeling this is going to be a very short, simple video today, since most of these big changes are in that holiday release that hopefully the majority of us will be getting in the next 7 days or so. Let's jump into it. So in the Model 3, as you can see here, 2024.33.40 is done installing, and right from Jump Street, you can see a lot of this does relate to FSD updates. First thing is ASS, or Actual Smart Summon, giving you the same breakdown that it has. Again, unfortunately, nothing new or updated here, simply for the fact that you can see the coming soon at the end here is still the same as what has been shown for the recent releases. Then you can tell FSD Supervised version 12.5.6.4 is the next call out here. And again, I'm not even going to spend a lot of time talking about this or doing a video on the drive, simply because we know this is already outdated. Version 13 is rolling out. We are just waiting for it to go wide. Nothing else is really crazy here, so we'll skip through that. We know what vision-based attention monitoring is. Again, nothing new. But there is a new update here for data sharing. And as you can see, it says improve your vehicle's safety and convenience features such as emergency vehicle detection by choosing to opt in and share sound detection data with Tesla, a short audio recording up to 10 seconds collected when a siren is approaching. Even if you opt in to sharing this information with Tesla, sound detection data is not associated with your VIN. This is actually pretty exciting. This is something Tesla's actually teased and talked about for a while, where obviously the Tesla vehicle does already, or should already, I should say, recognize emergency vehicles and first responders to move out of the way. But hopefully this will help with the visual changes that should be seen in future updates, and it should act accordingly. Should have human-like behavior again, move out of the way, and acknowledging sound of a siren will help do just that. And that is all in these release notes. So again, this is going to be a pretty simple update. You can tell right here again, there is no new indicator icon saying there's something new here, unsurprisingly with the holiday update coming, and in your dock as well. Nothing new here. I know Amazon Music has that little indicator dot, but that wasn't from this update. We just don't use it, so we haven't clicked on it yet. Aside from this, jumping into settings really quick also, close that out. The full build number of this version is 2024.33.40 with the branch of 7A, 2B, 4A, 9E, 135C. So, full build there. Again, you can see FSD supervised is 12.5.6.4. We are still utilizing an older navigation data, which is somewhat surprising because usually we do receive 2 a year, and we never received that second one yet. It's a couple weeks left, could still happen, but this is obviously navigation data from the 20th week of the year. That's how the build numbers go. That's how releases go with Tesla. So you can always tell what is from when, but obviously we're in week 50, maybe 48 at this point out of 52. So yeah, no new update for navigation data. We know how roads, buildings, all that get developed nowadays. So there's always changes by the time there's another update out. Hopefully we will see another one of those soon. But having said all that, like I said, not too much else new here. We're very excited about the holiday update, ready to get that. Let us know in the comments down below what you're most excited about from that holiday update, or if you've even got it yet. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.